So guys, if your Vegas is not opening, like as you can see it's not opening, you want to go to search and type in Task Manager. Click on it. And now once we're here, you want to search for Vegas. Now in my case, even though Vegas is not open right now, it still shows the Vegas application open. And it shows a lot of them for some reason. So what I do personally, I don't know if it's going to work for you, but this is what I do. I just click on them, then I end the task. And then randomly it will start again. But sometimes it doesn't even start. When I do that. So what I need to do is I need to keep on opening up Vegas. I need to keep on spamming this button many times until Vegas appears again right here. Then I need to keep on closing them again. It's a really stupid process and it's very annoying, but this is what I do and it works for me, so you can try it as well. So just keep opening up Vegas. Once it appears here and it doesn't open, then close it. Open it up again. Just keep on trying till it opens up. And if only one Vegas shows here and it's still not working, then just double click on Vegas again until more of them appear and then just close them. Just keep on trying. Like here I opened up a bunch of them. I'm going to keep on closing them until one of them opens up randomly. As you can see, it now opened up again. This is a really dumb thing that you need to do, but just try it and then see if that works for you.